Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a very important topic for our health-conscious viewers, especially those managing diabetes. We'll uncover the top 20 worst foods that can spike blood sugar levels and why you might want to avoid them. Let's keep you informed and healthy, so let's get started. First on our list is white bread. Made from highly processed white flour, it lacks fiber and can lead to rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, making it a poor choice for blood sugar management. Next, we have sugary cereals. Often packed with refined carbs and sugar, these cereals break down quickly in your system, causing an immediate rise in blood sugar. Next up, beware of fried foods. Not only are they high in unhealthy fats, but they're also rich in carbs, which can interfere with insulin sensitivity. Fourth, steer clear of full-fat dairy. Products like whole milk can be high in saturated fat, worsening insulin resistance. Number 5 is canned fruit and syrup should also be avoided. The added syrup is a concentrated source of sugar, which can cause a sharp increase in blood sugar levels. Number 6 is fruit juice concentrates. These are stripped of fiber and are high in sugar, leading to faster glucose absorption and spikes. Next we have pastries and cookies. Loaded with sugar and fats, they provide little nutritional value and disrupt glucose levels significantly. For number 8, we have potato chips are another bad choice. High in starch and often in salts and fats, they can lead to blood sugar fluctuations and weight gain. Next up, energy bars. While they seem healthy, many are high in sugar and refined carbs, similar to candy bars. For number 10 on this list is sweetened yogurt can be deceptive. It might sound healthy, but the added sugars make it a poor option for stabilizing blood glucose. Stay away for packaged snacks, which are often loaded with refined flour and high fructose corn syrup, both of which can spike blood sugar. Flavored coffee drinks often contain syrups and sugars that can send your glucose levels through the roof. Beware of raisins. Though natural, they are very high in sugar due to their concentrated form. BBQ sauce might spice up your meal, but watch out, it's usually packed with sugar. Our 15th spot goes to granola. It sounds like a health food, but it's often laden with sugars and oils. Pretzels might be fat-free, but are made from refined carbs, adding to your sugar load. Beware of alcoholic beverages. They can cause blood sugar to fall too low or rise too high, depending on your body's reaction. Instant noodles are a quick meal, but are high in carbs and fats, leading to poor blood sugar control. Canned vegetables with added salt can lead to hypertension and are not ideal for blood sugar management. Lastly, artificial sweeteners. They can disrupt your body's blood sugar regulation and affect your response to insulin. That wraps up our list of the top 20 foods to avoid if you're managing diabetes. Remember, it's all about balancing your diet with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods to keep your blood sugar stable. For more tips and health advice, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Stay healthy and see you next time. As a special bonus, we're offering a free ebook to help you manage your diabetes effectively. Click the link in the description to download your copy today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Take care.